Life in the USA. Cleaning products. There are hundreds of different kinds of cleaning products. It's hard to know which products to buy. It's hard to read the directions. It's hard to understand the warnings. Many cleaning products contain strong chemicals. Small children are hurt or poisoned by cleaning products each year. Adults who cannot read English are also hurt. Washing clothes. We use many kinds of laundry detergents to wash our clothes. Detergents may be in powder or liquid form. Some detergents are concentrated, so we need only a small amount. Some washing machines need high-efficiency HE laundry detergent. Bleach helps make white cotton clothing, sheets, and towels bright white. However, too much bleach can make the cloth weak, so it tears easily. Chlorine bleach can ruin colored clothes. Oxygen bleach is not as strong. It is safer with colored clothes. Chlorine is a strong chemical. Chlorine bleach can burn your skin. If it gets in a person's eyes, it can hurt them severely. It is important to read the directions and warnings carefully. A fabric softener makes clothing, sheets, and towels feel softer. It stops them from clinging when you take them out of the dryer. Liquid fabric softener is used in the rinse water in the washing machine. Fabric softener also comes in small paper sheets. One of these can go into the dryer when you dry clothes. Washing dishes. How do you wash your dishes? In the sink or in a dishwashing machine? Be careful. Don't use a hand dishwashing liquid in an automatic dishwasher. If you do, soap suds will spill out onto the floor. It will take a very long time to clean the soap suds out of your machine. There are powders and liquids that are only for dishwashers. Clean safely. Some cleaning products contain disinfectants. Do not get these products in food. Some kitchen and bathroom cleaners have strong chemicals to dissolve soap scum, grease, and burnt-on food. The spray from these chemicals is harmful to your eyes, nose, and lungs. Open the windows and turn on the fan. You must have good ventilation when you use them. Ammonia is a strong chemical in many window washing sprays, wall cleaners, stovetop cleaners, and floor cleaners. Ammonia is caustic. Wear rubber gloves when you clean with products that contain ammonia. Have good ventilation. It is dangerous to breathe in the fumes. Keep it away from your eyes. Important. Don't ever use a cleaning product with ammonia together with a cleaning product with chlorine bleach. The two chemicals produce a deadly gas. Oven cleaners can burn skin and clothing. Read instructions carefully. The fumes are dangerous. Wear rubber gloves. Have good ventilation. Many people avoid cleaning products with strong chemicals. They buy products that are safe for themselves and safe for the environment. Other cleaning safety tips. Keep all cleaning products where children cannot get them. Store them in a cool, dry place. Keep the products in the containers that they came in. The containers have important directions, warnings, and first aid instructions on them. Never put drinks or food into empty cleaning product containers. When you spray household chemical products, point them away from your face and away from other people. Wear long-sleeved shirts, long pants, socks, shoes, and gloves when you spray pesticides and other chemicals. Pesticides can be absorbed through your skin. Stay away from areas that someone has recently sprayed. Don't try to smell chemical containers if you don't know what is inside them. Throw away old household cleaning products. The chemicals can get stronger over time. Some towns and cities have special places to throw away old cleaning products.